Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I am going to make dal bati for our dinner. So I thought I can share this one with you guys. So my bati is ready, and I'm not going to fry this one, and I'm going to keep this one in the oven. So 180 degree for up to 20 minutes. So if you want to check out this recipe guys, I will put that one in the description box so that you guys can check and you can make this yummy dish at your home. So this is ready guys, and my dal is also ready, and I'm going to make churma. Without churma this meal won't be complete. So I thought I can share the recipe how to make churma at your home. So let's start. So for the churma guys, you have to make the small balls of the dough, and you have to press like this, and it will become round in shape. And I'm going to fry this one. For the dal bati, that bati I'm cooking in the oven, but for this one I'm going to fry in the oil, or you can keep it in the oven also. And here in the kadai I added some oil, only little bit of oil, because I'm not going to make more. So my oil is hot guys, and I'm going to fry this one. So you have to fry until it becomes brown and crispy. Hey guys, for my new subscribers, those who subscribe to my channel, and welcome to Geeta's Kitchen guys. So in my videos, I uploaded most of the cooking videos. So 3 days in a week. So you guys can check that one. And sometimes I used to make vlog also. So yeah. So once again, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen for my new subscribers who subscribed recently. And near to the subscribe bell, and near to the subscribe button you have to press that notification bell, because many of my subscribers, they are saying that they are not getting my notification. For that you have to click that notification bell so that you can see all my latest updates of my videos. So I'm going to fry this one until it becomes brown. Hey guys, can you see my bati is started becoming brown, and we have to fry another for 1 minute. So can you see the color guys? So it should be like this. And I removed this one from the oil, and can you see the color guys? Wow, it came out really good. And I put it in that oil cloth, and after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, when it becomes cool down, I'm going to grind it in the blender with sugar, cardamom, everything. So yeah, so we have to wait. And I'm going to check my bati. So it's in the oven, it's still in the oven. And here is my dal for the bati. So dal bati, and yeah, so this is our favorite dish guys. Hey guys, it becomes cool down, and I put it in the small blender. If you are making in a large quantity, you can use the big one, but I'm making only 4 or 5, so I'm using the small blender. First I'm going to grind it as a coarse powder of the bati. Hey guys, can you see? This is nicely done, and it's time to add some sugar. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. I added 4 tablespoons of sugar guys, and if you want less sugar, you can add less sugar too. And I'm going to grind this one again for a minute. My churma is ready, guys. If you want, you can add ghee too. So while we are serving, I will add a little bit of ghee. So yeah, this is how I make churma at home. Hey guys, my bati is ready and I applied some ghee in the top of the bati. If you want, you can soak this bati in the ghee for up to half an hour. So that is up to your choice. But for our family, this is okay. So it's time to serve. Hey guys, this is the quick video of how to make dal bati and churma at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.